So this is an unboxing video. I got the Rode NTG mic, video mic. I got this is a display model, so I got it for like $240, and I wanted to upgrade the sound, so I haven't used it yet. I'm currently using the iPhone 7s. That's what I've used for a while anyway, and didn't really have any problems, but I thought I'd do a quick unboxing of the things that I got. Again, this was a display model, so it only cost $250 on Amazon. Usually they go for about $400, I believe. So I was able to get that. So this thing comes out like that. It looks like it was already opened here, and let's see. Well, a little thing to keep it from the moisture resistance, and some kind of manual, safety regulatory and safety. That's what this thing is. That's a box. I was looking for one of these to attach to my phone so I could get a little bit better sound quality. Not necessarily for making videos, but primarily for when I do some Zoom calls. I could attach this to my telephone, not my telephone, my laptop, and get a little bit better sound. So this is it. And it looks like it has a little air thing for wind, but this will be inside mainly. And it's supposed to be able to turn. I guess I had to figure that out later. But it has like a shock thing here that holds it in place. USB-C connection, and it has another connection here, but I had to look at the paperwork to see what it does. And of course there's a knob right there where you could turn for the gain. It's real nice. I probably won't need any other connection other than what's on here, but that's this. And of course I went ahead and I got a Fusion by Oneodio A70. It's supposed to be a Bluetooth. I haven't opened it yet, so you'll be getting it with me. Got a bag here, some paperwork, and looks like I got a couple of wires. The wire is a little thinner than I expected it to be, especially when you're going from XLR, when you're going from the 8-inch to the 1/4-inch jack. You know, it's a little it's a lot thinner than I would expect, but it is what it is for the price. You know, $50 for it. Can't go wrong with that. And I bought this so I can test it. I'm waiting for the other one to come. I think I forgot what it's called, but it's like $400. So but this particular one had a really good review. This is the other cable. It's a USB to, it looked like a regular port. It's not USB-C, but whatever it is, I guess it's for that. So let's dig it out of the bag. Now the bag is really nice. I've seen reviews on it online, and people say the bag is really nice, and they're not joking. It is really nice. It's not leather, but it feels nice and supple, and it has a little logo on there. I'll probably never use this again, so I'll probably apply it to something else. Wow, they are soft. So I'll go ahead and play around with these a little bit, and then I will do a review on them. once I get the other headsets. I currently use this cheap one from Five and Below, and it hurts my ears, so I thought I'd try and upgrade to something else. Anyhow, like, subscribe. If you have any questions, ask it in the comment section down below. Look at the future videos where I do the review on them. I currently have my phone, which is something that I just got also from Amazon. I don't know, where is it? Too much light. There it goes. It's Alvoxcon phone tripod. It's a little too short. I wish I had bought a taller one where I could adjust it. I might send this one and order another one where I can do some adjustments. That also I got from Amazon to mount my phone, so I can either use this for my Zoom calls or to make videos a little bit more easier once I get the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Y'all have a good day.